going to go back up to the Dorchester Courthouse for Harriet Tubman's bicentennial birthday. Everybody's all in their white, and you can hear the drums playing. And I'll just pan the crowd a little bit. And we're in Dorchester County in Cambridge, Maryland. Right, I know. Hi, hello. So people are still coming. I'm gonna try to get into the street a little bit and you can see.
Good morning.
And you see people, the plan was for everybody to be in white, but you can see some of the regalia that people have on in their African attire. I wore all white, but I promise you next year, honey, I'm gonna have my African outfits on and it's gonna be on and popping. Thank you. And everybody is so friendly. Oh my gosh, look at the ladies. I love it.
So pretty.
With the historical sunshades on. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So pretty.
And everybody here has just been so friendly and so kind. We love it. And everybody has their own style and their own flair.
Lots of style.
Hey!
Oh, nice. Beautiful, beautiful people.
Yes. And people are still coming, like way far down. I'm gonna zoom in to see it's a whole nother section of people that are coming. You see the African flag waving. There's a whole group of people behind them. Let's go down by the water.
Where's Brenda?